Hello everyone, in this virtual lab we're going to investigate the combined resistance of two resistors in parallel. The two resistors in this circuit are 10 and 100 ohms. Use the quantities being measured by the meters in the circuit to work out the total resistance. What value does this give for the total resistance? Yes, it gives a value of 9.9 ohms. What is true about the potential difference across the supply and across each of the resistors? Exactly. It's of the same value, 5 volts. In parallel connection, the potential difference across each branch is equal. What is true about the current through the supply and through each of the resistors? Remember that the currents through the resistors add up to the value of the current through the supply. This can be written as I total equal I1 plus I2, and using Ohm's law, which states that the current is equals to the potential difference divided by the resistance, we say that V divided R total equals to V divided R1 plus V divided R2. Since the potential difference is equal and the currents are additive, now we can divide both sides of the equation by the potential difference V to give a reduced equation of 1 over R total equals 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. This is the total resistance equation for the resistors in parallel and can be extended to more than two resistors. Recall that in this circuit, R1 is 10 ohms and R2 is 100 ohms. Use the equation to see if it gives a value for R total of 9.09 ohms. That's it. Great job, everyone!